It's coming together.
What?
I'm talking to the camera.
Oh, sorry.
Help support the companies that support our community. It's all coming together. We have a ways to go, but we have a lathe, generator to power it, and paper towels, so we're going to hit the road. We're having the wrap put on next Monday. They're going to do that Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, so I'm super excited about that. I'll share some pictures, and that'll be in the next video too. Again, guys, a huge thank you to all of you. Thank you so much for your support, and I want to thank all the sponsors that sponsor the show. I really appreciate your support, and a special thank you to Carolina Shoes, Easy Wood Tools, and Woodcraft for supporting the mobile shop as well. Thank you so much. Hey, if this is your first time here, I have a new project video every Friday, and the next one will be from the beach. We'll be in Bandon, Oregon, so look for that one. If you're around, we'll be on Twitch live tonight at 4 o'clock, so head on over there. And as far as all the sponsors go, there's links down below in the description for all of them, so please go help support them as well. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great weekend.